Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's always my pleasure to come your way with a good video. If you are new on this channel, I welcome you to the channel and I appreciate your effort for being here. And I hope by the end of the video, the reason why you click on this channel, you find solution to that. 19 IT jobs that are in high demand plus their salary. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Starting from the highest paying job to the lowest. So the first or the highest paying job in IT is what we call machine learning engineer. The national average salary of a machine learning engineer is $150,119 per year. So this is the salary you will get, or the average salary you will get as a machine learning engineer. Now, what are the primary duties of a machine learning engineer? A machine learning engineers design, they build and deploy machine learning models and systems that can make decisions without explicit programming. They collaborate with data scientists and software developers to integrate machine learning algorithms into applications and software products. So this is the first in demand IT jobs and the salary you will get at the end of the year. Let's look at the next in line. So the next one that is in demand is what we call mobile application developer. The national average salary of a mobile application developer is $135,085 per year. So this is the average, meaning you can get even more than that. So let's see the primary duties of a mobile application developer. Mobile application developers design, they test and maintain apps for smartphones. These developers create various types of apps including games, security-related apps, mobile banking apps, and social media apps. Mobile app developers often work with other developers and designers to make apps for apps and devise a launch strategy. So this is the basic primary duties of a mobile app developer. Now let's look at the next in demand job in IT. The next one is what we call computer network architect. The national average salary of a computer network architect is $131,376 per year. The primary duties of a computer network architect designs and implement both local international networks and cloud computing infrastructures for companies, while also researching and evaluating new networking tools for future use and considering information security in their designs, as a strong infrastructure is essential for any network to function properly. This is also the primary duties of a computer network architect. The next one is what we call data scientist. The data scientist takes home average salary of $124,012 per year, and the primary duties of a data scientist is to collect and present information to the managers and executives to help them make important decisions. They may use machine learning to develop insights based on a data set. Statistical analysis is also one of a data scientist's key responsibility. So this is also the basic duties of a data scientist. The next most commonly used programming language that industry expects projects to grow in the coming years. So this is the primary duties of a Java developer. The next one is what we call computer hardware engineer. The national average salary of a computer hardware engineer is $104,854 per year. The primary duties are that these engineers design, build, and repair all the hardware that is essential to letting computers work, including monitors, hard disk drives, printers, routers, and CPUs. The computer hardware engineers test these items to ensure they work properly and identify and isolate any defect that arises. So this is the basic primary duties of computer hardware engineer. The next one is what we call IT manager, and the average salary of IT manager it is $97,178 per year. The primary duties of IT managers are to plan and coordinate the functions of a business information technology sector. They oversee technical terms and seek different methods for improving IT systems. Demand for IT managers is increasing because companies want to ensure their information systems are operating efficiently and that IT teams have experienced leaders. So this is the primary duties of IT manager. Now the next one is what we call database administrator. The database administrator takes home average salary of $90,055 per year. So the database administrator manage large amount of digital data for clients. They make sure that computer systems operate efficiently, identify user needs to build and administer database and backup and restore data to prevent losses. So this is also the basic duties of a database administrator. The next one is what we call computer research architect. The next one is what we call computer research scientist. Computer research scientist takes home average salary of $84,683 per year, and the primary duties is to investigate, discover new uses for computer-related technologies. They design, experiment to test software system, analyze the results, and often publish their findings in academic journals. Computer research scientists are in demand because their work helps drive innovation in the tech industry, which benefits from investigative service just like many other industries. Let's look at the next one. And this one is what we call information security analyst. They take home average salary of $82,517 per year. And the primary duties of information security analyst is to identify and assess potential security risks, implementing security measures such as firewalls and encryption protocols, monitoring for security breaches, and responding quickly and effectively to any incident that may occur. They protect both internal networks and external elements using a variety of strategies to ensure the safety of companies' data and comply with government laws and regulations. This is also the primary duties of an information security analyst. The next one in line is what we call technical sales engineer, and their average salary is $79,947 per year. Their duties are to post-sales support. Their duties are to sell technical products and offer post-sales support. They meet with clients, attend exhibitions, and coordinate with production engineers to improve products. Tech sales engineers typically conduct market research and receive feedback from clients. This is also the basic duties of technical sales engineer. The next one is what we call computer system analyst, and they take home average salary of $77,207 per year. The computer system analyst study and update computer system to improve their efficiency. They also train other employees on new systems, stay up to date on the latest technology, and determine the most cost-effective systems and updates. This is also the basic duties of a computer system analyst. The next one is what we call web developer. A web developer also takes home average salary of $76,103 per year. The primary duties of a web developer: designs and executes web builds that meet the needs of their client. They use their knowledge to programming frameworks, languages, and design tactics to create and update websites and apps that are user-friendly, efficient, and effective. In the digital age, having a strong web presence is essential for many companies. Web developers play a crucial role in helping companies increase their reach and customer satisfaction by creating user-friendly and effective websites and apps. So this is also the basic duties of web developer. The next one is what we call network administrator. Network administrator takes home $71,626 per year. Their work is to manage computer systems and networks such as local area network, that is LAN, and wide area network, that is WAN. These administrators are highly in demand because networks and systems are vital to providing an internet connection. As their role is often a senior position, those working as network and computer systems administrators may collaborate with other IT managers and technicians. So this is also the primary duties of a network administrator. The next one is what we call data analyst. A data analyst takes home $70,683 per year, and their work is to interpret information and figures to determine how it can be useful for companies. These analysts perform statistical analysis and typically focus more on short-term research and on finding alternative ways to improve their collections and reporting. Data analysts remain in demand because companies are constantly aiming to enhance their analytic capabilities. This is also the basic duties of data analysts. And the last one that is in demand is what we call web designer. A web designer takes home average salary of $48,914 per year. Their duties is to focus on the visual aspect of website creation. They work to improve both the specific assets users interact with, called the user's interface, that is UI, and the overall interaction users have with their web page, or user experience, that is UX. They are in demand because all companies with websites seek to optimize their visitors' experience with their pages. So this is also their duties and their salary they take home per year. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get content that is related to this, and also like our video and share to those who are in need of it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I love you, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Bye.